Hi, welcome back everyone. In today's video, we will be looking at the next feature of the Vsub, which is this story video. It is very interesting here because we have this AI video over here that I have discussed in earlier on, and now there is this story video. So what exactly is the difference? Let's find out. So if we click on the story video, then it brings us to this page, and we need a script, or the script generator is, we can choose what type of script that we want, and then we need to upload a video, so they will just take the script from the video, which I'm not going to do that. And then in setting, what can we do? Setting, basically we can only choose the voice either from 11 Lab or Open AI. So I will leave this as default. So I'm going to throw in a script for it to generate the video. If you remember, if we go to the AI video, then AI video, we have all these template, and we can choose between the size of a portrait or landscape. But for this story video, then we can't choose the size, and I'll be interested to find out what kind of video content can it generate. So to get the script, then I'll just go to ChatGPT. So using ChatGPT, I'm going to ask it to give me a story. So very simple, I will just ask ChatGPT to give me a 1-minute bedtime story for children, because I want to see how does this Vsub actually do. So this is the title and this is the script. So if you want, just double confirm it. Otherwise, I will just paste it. And if you have the time, just go through the script. If not, then I'll take the script as it is and just click on continue. So we'll generate the AI voice and then transcribe the audio. And this is also the first time that I'm using this story video. So let me see what is the output of this story video. So it didn't take too long for it. Okay, so the video is about 1 minute and 15 seconds long. Let's just preview it for a while.
Little star who lost her shine. Once upon a time, in the twinkling night sky, there was a little star named...
So basically, this is just generating the voice and the caption, and then the footage is the default one. And then we can adjust our volume over here. We can add in music, but we have to take our own music. So for the video, it's always using, this is a default, and I always don't like the default. So I'm going to use, this is my own video, but I have already used it 4 times. So if I use my own video,
Stella. She loved to sparkle brightly, lighting up the dark sky.
okay, and then we can of course change the subtitle over here, change the style, change the position of the subtitle that you want, and then all the tools. So like I mentioned, everything you can customize it. So I'm not going to customize too much, so I'll leave everything as default and click on the download button. And then once finished download, I will show you the whole video. So as compared to the AI video, I think the AI video did a much better job, because the AI video you don't have to provide a footage, and the AI video they can generate the footage for you. And for this story video, if you use the default footage, then everybody will be using the same default footage, so you have to provide your own video footage, which is better. But that is one of the features of this Vsub. I don't think I'll be using this story video very much. Most likely I'll be using the AI video more than the story video that I'm showing you right now. So now that the video has finished, and I'm going to download it, and I will let you watch the movie or the story video. So with that, I will end the video here, and I'll see you on the next video, and let's watch the whole movie.
The Little Star Who Lost Her Shine. Once upon a time, in the twinkling night sky, there was a little star named Stella. She loved to sparkle brightly, lighting up the dark sky for all the creatures below. But one night, Stella began to feel sad. No matter how hard she tried, her shine seemed to fade. "Why can't I sparkle like the other stars?" she wondered. A wise old moon overheard Stella's question. "You don't need to try so hard, little one," the moon said with a gentle smile. "Your shine is already inside you, just waiting to be shared." Stella closed her eyes and took a deep breath. Slowly, she felt a warm glow inside her, and suddenly, she began to sparkle more beautifully than ever before. The more Stella believed in her own light, the brighter she shone. And from that night on, the little star never doubted her special glow again. And so, Stella's light guided the way for dreamers below, reminding everyone that sometimes all we need is to believe in our own sparkle.